In this question, we have to write the role of the following. In the first one, it is given cryolite is used in the extraction of aluminium. In aluminium extraction, this cryolite plays a crucial role in Hall-Héroult process, which is used to extract aluminium from its ore bauxite. The first one is we can say this cryolite is used as a flux in the electrolysis process and it helps in lowering the melting point of alumina. It makes the electrolytic process more efficient by lowering the melting point. It reduces the energy required for the electrolysis. And another one we can say it also helps in stabilizing the molten electrolyte which ensures a consistent and effective electrolytic reaction. And the second one is carbon monoxide is used for the refining of nickel. In the refining of nickel, carbon monoxide plays an important role in Mons process which is used to purify nickel. Here carbon monoxide is used because in this process the nickel ore is first roasted to produce nickel oxide which is then treated with carbon monoxide at elevated temperature. This reaction is forming the nickel tetracarbonyl NiCO4. This nickel carbonyl is then purified by separating it from the other impurities. The volatile nickel carbonyl is collected and decomposed to yield pure nickel. So due to the volatile nature of nickel carbonyl, we can use carbon monoxide to form this complex during the Mons process. And in the ore question, we have to write the chemical equations involving in the leaching of bauxite ore to prepare pure alumina. This is a three-step process. In the first step, this alumina is treating with sodium hydroxide to produce sodium aluminate. And in the second step, the sodium aluminate is reacting with carbon monoxide to produce hydrated alumina. This hydrated alumina on heating removes water and will produce the pure alumina. These are the equations involving here. So for these whole equations, you will get 2 marks. In the first question, for explaining the role of both of them, you will get 1 mark for each.